put those there and you can set it on that.
Like I said, it's top heavy, so.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Weedz Garage. We're in the car because we are headed to go get the new air compressor so we can start doing our own sandblasting, really step up production with what we can do, and just kind of really, as I said earlier, grab the new heart for the shop.
Because, yeah, it's a beast.
Yep, it's a beast, and it's going to handle, obviously, powder coating, but somebody can be powder coating, somebody can be sandblasting, somebody can be working with other air tools on the other cars while we're doing all of this. So it's going to be really a beast for the shop to where we're going to be able to run everything that we need off of this 120-gallon air compressor. It's a T30 from Roland, and I'm super psyched about it. So
it's really nice.
It is.
We've already checked it out.
We went and saw it yesterday. We're on our way to go grab it now. Yeah. This is the beast. The Ingersoll Rand T30. When it was originally purchased, it had the upgraded motor, energy saving. So super stoked about it. It's a beast. This all comes together, and then there's the juice. Because it is three-phase, we're just gonna have to order a VFD because we only have single phase, which is fine. I've been looking at them on Amazon, so when we get back to the shop, we'll just get this in the shop, kind of get it situated. I'll order the VFD, and with Amazon Prime, it'll probably be here on Saturday. Then we can go ahead and get things going. What if can we get those 2 2x4s from you? Yeah, we'll just put those there and you can set it on that.
Like I said, it's top heavy, so.
We're gonna have fun, huh?
Yeah.
We're gonna need a bigger chain.
Yeah, you mind if we borrow your chain? Bring it right back.
I'm gonna close the tailgate. Okay? Just slam it. Well, no, the compressors are, everything's right in the way. Okay, the compressor's in the way.
Yeah. Here, I'm trying to pull
There
it back.
you
Here we
go.
go. Here you go.
Let go. I got it. Okay.
There you go. Is it pushed in as far as it can go?
Nope, it's hitting the f***ing truck.
Oh,
Gotta go back a little bit? No, it's hitting the rear axle.
yeah, this is basically as far as it can go.
Okay, so what we need
Hey,
to
we're probably
do
gonna
is...
hear somebody else up in
Yeah.
here.
Oh, don't...
I know.
They never volunteered to get it dirty, did they?
Yeah, what we're gonna have to do is stand it up, so lift up on this side.
Push it down? We gotta push
Push
it
it
in.
down there. Yeah, push it in.
No, I mean, we're on the field there.
There we go.
There you go.
Got parking
Okay.
brake on?
Yes, I do.
Boom. There we go. There we go.
What was that?
It was a chain movement.
Just the chain moving.
Yeah, hold on. We got
Yeah.
a problem. Oh, yeah, we gotta lift it up. Gotta lift it back up and push it back.
Oh,
Where's that
shit.
pry bar? I don't know if we can get it back up.
Oh, yeah, right. The pry bar still should be right there.
Right here to your left.
Right there. We gotta push it forward.
There we go. That was easy.
Yeah, that's fine. It's not on there.
Yep.
There's still even a gap there.
Yep, we're good.
Yeah, there's a good solid 1/8 of an inch or more right there.
Hey, it's his truck, not mine. It works.
So guys, we got it, and it's in the truck. We're ready to see how weighted down the truck is. The back tire on the passenger is a little bit low, so we're gonna stop and get it. Well, here's the shop. Oh, we got that locked there. That's the spot it's gonna go. And there she be. The electric panel can move some, so that's fine. I just gotta come right out of here with the VFD and then be able to put the electrical panel into it. So technically, if we can put it as close like this as possible, it would be better to do it that way than the other way. Right on. So here it is, the big T30, Ingersoll Rand T30. We could take this off and put a gas motor on this, a 5 horsepower gas motor, and we can literally make this mobile. We could put this on a truck and be mobile, or we could just run it like that if we don't want to switch to 3-phase, which is not hard. We just buy a VFD, wire it right into this where the 220 is. It'll convert that 220 to 3-phase. We plug that in its box, hook these wires up right here, and we're ready to go. So it's gonna be a couple of days. Now, here's the other thing, is we are at this end of the shop, but we'll actually be doing our blasting outside at that end of the shop. So I'm gonna be getting like 100 and something foot cord that we can go ahead and take here. Now we do have to go pick up our workbench. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. But the air compressor's here.
Baby's moved successfully.
You can hear the little leak. That's because he just keeps that open so he doesn't ever have to drain the compressor, and so it keeps it dry on the inside and it keeps all the water and moisture out.
Trade secret.
Trade secret.
And that's the trade secret. We're trading it for a like on this video. So make sure you go ahead and smash that like button and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you like this type of content, which is building cars, powder coating, around, smoking weed, getting air compressors, doing crazy moving them around with engine hoists.
Yeah.
1,300 pound air compressor, although after you guys move that with just us, do you really think that that's 1,300 pounds? I think it's like 900 or 1,000 pounds. It might be just over 1,000.
Well, if it ever breaks,
maybe.
I see a fat lady moved on TV with a hoist,
Yeah,
and she was heavier than that.
yeah. Him and I spun that around in the air like it was nothing. So, alrighty guys, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Sorry if the video format changes. It shouldn't. But yeah, I'm on the iPhone. We were recording a bunch with the GoPro. But yeah, we are going to go back. We're going to go ahead and get our shop table. So we've got a shop table. And then we're going to go ahead and get on with the evening. We appreciate you checking out the channel. Happy to be bringing you content. Now that we've got this, once we get the VFD and content's just going to go through the roof, we're literally going to have enough air to run air tools to do body work on this and to do all the other work that we're going to be doing on the Accord. We now have a new power plant besides Jeremy here in the shop. We're excited. Yeah.